Hey everyone, welcome back. It's almost the weekend, so let's drink some whiskey. All right, today got Four Roses, part of their new single barrel program or release. They've always had the Four Roses single barrel, but they have decided this year they've released 3 of their 10 recipes. I believe the normal single barrel they've always had, it's like a brown label, is OBSV. And so they're now releasing a single barrel version of each one of their recipes. So today I've got the OESO here, which they're all 50% alcohol, so 100 proof. And each one, like I said, each one, the special recipe will be released. The OESO, they label it rich red fruit, vanilla, brown sugar, and delicate oak. So actually, one of my favorite Four Roses is a single barrel strength version I have of the OESO. So I'm pretty excited to try this. Let's go ahead and get into the nose on this. Real quick, the color is pretty light, so this will be interesting. Yeah, I'm definitely picking up some red fruit. Heavy dose of cinnamon here. It's pleasant. It actually smells richer than it looks. Like I said, it's pretty light coloring there. So I was a little worried it was going to be light on the flavor, light on the nose. So I'm getting that rich red fruit, followed by some cinnamon and vanilla. What else did they put on the back here? Brown sugar, delicate oak. I mean, there's oak, but there's oak on most things, I feel like. Getting heavy baking spices. It's the red fruit right up front, and then following into those baking spices, kind of like nutmeg, vanilla. Um, there's a little bit of brown sugar that they list on the back. It's a pretty accurate. Their description is pretty accurate for the nose, in my opinion. I feel like sometimes you might read that, and then all of a sudden my nose is picking up what I'm reading here. So, anyways, I mean, I really enjoy the nose on this. Like I said, I have a barrel strength OESO. It might be one of my most favorite things I own, to be honest. But with the nose down, let's go ahead and give this a taste. One more. Getting a lot of the baking spices. Not so much. I'm not really picking up any red fruit on this. Maybe my palate's off today. Um, but yeah, let's do that again. Yeah, I'm getting brown sugar, maybe a little nutmeg. There's some spice there, coupled with kind of like a sugary baking spice flavor, almost like some molasses maybe. Interesting. Get a little vanilla sweetness, almost maybe a little bit of candy vanilla kind of flavor there on the very tail end. But a heavy dose of baking spices up front. Not really rye spice. I believe on their barrel strengths they put the actual blend, and I don't remember what the makeup of the OESO is, but I'm getting a little bit of spice there. So maybe this is a higher rye one. I can't remember. Um, I'm surprised no red fruit. Like I said, I have the OESO a barrel strength store pick at home, and it just punches you right in the face with the red fruit, cherry, kind of berry, dark fruits. But not getting much here on that. Overall, maybe a hint of red fruit there. Let's try that one more time just to be sure. Maybe just a slight amount of those red fruits right off the bat, but it kind of dissolves into some spices pretty quickly there. Let's go ahead and rank this. At $50, this is between a 3 and a 4 for me. Um, I wish it had a little more complexity. If it had just a touch more complexity, if I could get that red fruit a little more up front that I get from the barrel strength version I have, then I think this would easily be a 4 at $50. So I'm just gonna go with a 3.5 here, split the difference. It's just a little. I wish I had just a little bit more on it, but it's still really solid. So we'll go 3.5. Yeah, I'm gonna stick with that 3.5. Anyways, cheers, guys.